Start, that is a IUPAC. Okay, in IUPAC topic, first of all we know that about what is hydrocarbon. So you have to remember that hydrocarbon is nothing but carbon and hydrogen containing atoms that are called as hydrocarbon and hydrocarbon derivatives. So hydrocarbon derivatives are nothing but, we can say, carbon and hydrogen and other elements. Carbon, hydrogen and other elements are called as hydrocarbon derivatives. Like hydrocarbon example is like carbon and hydrogen CH4. In this carbon and hydrogen, but other elements like Cl is also be there. So this is called as hydrocarbon derivative. Now understand hydrocarbon classification. We are classified in two types. One is saturated, one is unsaturated. Saturated means alkane and unsaturated means alkene and alkyne. Why, sir? So this is because of alkane containing carbon carbon single bond. Carbon carbon single bond is called as hydrocarbon. In this they are called as saturated, and alkene and alkyne are unsaturated. They are C double bond C and C triple bond C. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, and the general formula of alkene is CnH2n, and the general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Okay, now if you remember, you are able to see that type of bond by carbon. Now this is very very important, guys. You have to understand how to make a carbon bond. Carbon is either form 4 single bond, okay, 1 double, 2 single, 1 triple, 1 single and 2 double. This type of bonding will form by carbon. Similar like this, if you are able to see that type of bonding by nitrogen. So in this nitrogen will make 3 single bond and this lone pair. This is called as pair of electron. This is called as pair of electron. Now if you are able to see that nitrogen will make 1 double, 1 single, and nitrogen will make 1 triple and 1 lone pair. Okay, now understand similar like this type of bond by oxygen. When you are able to see that type of bond by oxygen, in this you are able to see that oxygen will make 2 single bond and 2 lone pair, and oxygen will make 2 lone pair and 1 double bond also. Okay, now understand my point. Degree of carbon. Sir, what is the degree of carbon? So in this nothing but we understand by which type of carbon having a degree. Okay, now 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. 1 degree carbon is that which is attached by only one side carbon. 2 degree carbon is that in which carbon is attached by two sides of carbon, and 3 degree means three sides of carbon is attached. 4 degree means four side of carbon is attached. Now understand example. If you are able to see that example, in this I will make a structure. Like if you are able to see that first one, if you are able to see that first one, this is a attached by one side of carbon, so it is called as 1 degree. This carbon above carbon is also called as 1 degree carbon, and the below carbon, this carbon is also called as 1 degree because this is attached by one side. Now this carbon is attached by two sides, so it is called as 2 degree. Now this carbon is also attached by two sides, so it is called as 2 degree carbon. Now if you are able to see that the middle one, this is attached by four sides of carbon, so this is called as 4 degree carbon. Now this carbon is attached by three sides of carbon, so it is called as 3 degree carbon. Okay, now if you are able to see that this last one, two carbons are attached by one sides, so it is called as 1 degree carbon, 1 degree carbon. Now understand the next one is called as degree of hydrogen. So in degree of hydrogen, this is nothing but 1 degree hydrogen, 2 degree hydrogen, 3 degree hydrogen. Now sir, what is 1 degree hydrogen? So 1 degree hydrogen is that the hydrogen is attached with 1 degree carbon. 2 degree hydrogen means attached with 2 degree carbon, and the 3 degree hydrogen means the hydrogen which is attached with 3 degree carbon. Now understand the point. If you are able to see that 4 degree hydrogen is not possible, in this you are able to see that 4 degree hydrogen is not possible. Okay, this is important point. Now example, the similar example I will make. Now if you remember, this carbon is 1 degree carbon, this carbon is 1 degree carbon, this carbon is 2 degree carbon, this carbon is 2 degree carbon, okay, and this carbon is 1 degree carbon. This carbon is called as 3 degree carbon. This carbon is called as 1 degree carbon. This carbon is called as 1 degree carbon. Now this hydrogen is called as 1 degree hydrogen. These hydrogens are also called as 1 degree hydrogen. These hydrogen are called as 1 degree hydrogen, 2 degree hydrogen. These hydrogen are having, we can say, 2 degree hydrogen. These hydrogen are called as 3 degree hydrogen. These hydrogen are called as 1 degree hydrogen. These hydrogen are called as 1 degree hydrogen. Now if you are able to see that this carbon is called as 4 degree carbon, but 4 degree carbon having a 4 valency only, so we cannot attach with the hydrogen, so we can say 4 degree hydrogen not exist. Is it clear? Now understand similar like degree of alcohol. Degree of alcohol is similar like degree of hydrogen. So in this alcohol group is attached with 1 degree carbon, it's called as 1 degree alcohol. The carbon is attached with alcohol is attached with 2 degree carbon, this is called as 2 degree alcohol, 1 degree alcohol, and the attached with 3 degree carbon, that is called as, we can say, 3 degree alcohol. Now if you are able to see that 4 degree alcohol not possible. Now this is the structure I will make it. Now if you remember, this alcohol group is attached with 3 degree carbon, so this alcohol is called as 3 degree alcohol group. Now this carbon is attached with is called as 2 degree carbon, so we can say this alcohol group is called as 2 degree alcohol. Okay, one more example, example number 2, example number 1. Okay, so in 2 example you are able to see that the alcohol group is attached with 3 degree carbon, so this alcohol is called as 3 degree alcohol. Now this carbon is called as 2 degree carbon, so this alcohol group is called as, we can say, 2 degree alcohol. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Not? Is it clear to all of you? Not? Now if you are able to see that the carbon is 1 degree carbon, so this alcohol group is called as, we can say, 1 degree alcohol. Okay, now this is the last degree of amine. Degree of amine is a some different. Okay, so this is very very important. Now 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine. Sir, what is 1 degree amine? So nitrogen attached one side by carbon. 2 degree amine means nitrogen attached with 2 sides of carbon, nitrogen attached with 3 sides of carbon. Sir, how is it, sir? Please tell me. So if you are able to see that this NH2 group is attached, this NH2 group is attached one side carbon, so this is called as 1 degree amine. This NH group attached 2 sides of carbon, so this is called as 2 degree amine. This NH group, N group, is attached with 3 sides of carbon, so called as 3 degree amine. Now example, you are able to see that this nitrogen group attached with 2 sides of carbon, 1 and 2, so they are called as 2 degree amine. If you, is it clear? Now this nitrogen group is attached with only one side of carbon group, so this is called as 1 degree amine. Thank you so much. I hope that's very clear to you.